We are Delhi Fundus. So Delhi is not just home for me, Delhi is the world for me. So right now I'm at Trade Fair 2021 and I'm in front of Delhi State Pavilion. And the theme of this State Pavilion is My Delhi, My Pride. And I remember somebody asked me once, what do you like most about Delhi? I said everything. I mean, what is there to not like about home? So here is a walkthrough to Delhi Pavilion at India International Trade Fair 2021. Good afternoon, Delhi. I am at India International Trade Fair 2021. This is day one of the fair, and right now at the Delhi Pavilion. The theme of this stall is the beautification or redevelopment of Chandni Chowk, and that is why they have this whole corridor that is displaying a miniature version of how Chandni Chowk has redeveloped now. So there are, red stone sitting arrangement, and towards the end of the stall we have Red Fort, which is quite a rage with visitors, and a lot of people are getting their selfies clicked there. As soon as you enter the Delhi Pavilion, on your left hand side is Mohalla Clinic, which is Delhi government's free health clinics for the public of Delhi. There are a lot of Mohalla clinics all over Delhi. I mean, people are divided in their opinion on Mohalla clinic, but we still think it's a great initiative. So that is why it gets a nice dedicated space in Delhi stall. They are planning to have free corona vaccination as well as corona test at this Mohalla clinic at Delhi Pavilion during Trade Fair. Another corner of Delhi State Pavilion showcases the Smog Tower, which is Delhi government's initiative to combat the Delhi pollution. One of the regular stalls at Delhi Pavilion is TJ's. TJ's is Tihar Jail stall, which showcases the stuff made by Tihar Jail prisoners. The prisoners of Tihar Jail make their, bakery stuff, cookies and jams and papadums and sweets and confectionery. So there's a TJ stall in one of the corner of Delhi Pavilion. So that is also there. We've always bought some of their stuff and we really love it. So that is like a ritual that we always do. So that completes our round of Delhi Pavilion at Trade Fair 2021. Hope you liked this video, and if you do, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and make sure you've subscribed to Delhi Fundus on Instagram and YouTube, and press the bell icon to be notified of our new videos. Thank you very much.